Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve a coin word problem, coin meaning currency. A cash box with only $1 and $5 bills totals $61. The number of $1 bills is 7 more than the number of $5 bills. How many of each bill does the box contain? The first thing we need to do is give a variable to the two unknowns, how many $1 and $5 bills there are. Typically, I take the first letter of the word for the variable, like 5, so I'll use F. However, one starts with an O, which looks like a 0, so I'm going to use B for a buck. If we multiply the value times the unknown number and the value times the unknown number, if we add those together, it will give us the total of everything. So that's our first equation, 1 times B plus 5 times F. The 1 being the value of the dollar and B being the number of those dollar bills, and 5 being the value of the $5 bill and F being the number of the $5 bills. If I add those together, I get the total of $61. Now that we have our first equation, we can find the second by translating the second sentence. The number of $1 bills, which we don't know, so we use our variable B, translates to equals 7 more than, this reverses the order, so it's add 7, the number of $5 bills, which we gave a variable of F, so it will be F plus 7. So our second equation is B equals F plus 7 by translating that second sentence. Now we can go ahead and substitute F plus 7 for the B in the first equation. And 1 times B is just B, so we'll just put F plus 7 to replace the B. Then we have 5F equals 61. Now we can combine like terms to get 6F plus 7 equals 61. And isolating for the variable, we'll subtract 7 from both sides, and we get 6F equals 54. We're running out of room, so I'll come up here. Then we take 6F equals 54, divide both sides by 6, and we get F equals 9. This means that there are 9 $5 bills. Now we can use this to substitute back into one of the original equations to find out how many $1 bills we have. Since the second equation is already solved for B, I'm going to go ahead and use that since it'll speed us up just a little bit. So B equals, we'll substitute 9 in for F, plus 7, so B equals 16. This means there are 16 $1 bills. So to write out our answer formally, we have 9 $5 bills and 16 $1 bills, and we're all done.